Rastafarianism was started by Leonard Percival Howell in the 1930s. His travel abroad exposed him to Pan-Africanist ideas, including the teachings of Marcus Garvey. In the 1930s, Rastafari Makonnen is crowned Emperor Haile Selassie of Ethiopia. This was seen by many, including Howell, as a fulfillment of Marcus Garvey's prophecy, which states, "Look to Africa for the crowning of a black king." Howell returned to Jamaica and began preaching that Haile Selassie is the Messiah. This marks the birth of the Rastafari movement. Howell founded the Pinnacle, a self-sufficient Rasta commune in the hills of St. Catherine, Jamaica. It housed hundreds of followers, promoting farming, communal living, and resistance to colonial oppression. Leonard Howell, aka The Gong, died in February of 1981 and was later posthumously awarded the Order of Distinction.